Before buying a CPU for video editing, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Dell Optiplex 7050. The Dell Optiplex 7050 caught my eye right away. It's equipped with an Intel i7 7700 processor and offers 32 gigabytes of RAM, all for around $399.99. If you want solid performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This CPU is a workhorse for video editing. The 3.6 GHz speed means you won't be left hanging during those long renders, and the 32 gigabytes of RAM allows you to multitask effortlessly. The 1 terabyte SSD ensures your files load quickly, which is crucial when you're working with large video files. With over 500 units sold in the past month, people are clearly impressed. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It provides a balance of speed and capacity that can handle various editing tasks without lagging. Now, some people complained about the integrated graphics not being powerful enough for heavy graphical tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly focused on editing rather than 3D rendering or gaming, this is a very manageable trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring video editor looking for solid performance at an affordable price. Skip this one if you need dedicated graphics for high-end gaming or 3D work. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the Optiplex's graphics capabilities bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Intel Core Ultra 9. The Intel Core Ultra 9 is a beast with a whopping 24 cores, and it's priced at around $539. If you want top-of-the-line performance for heavy video editing, this is worth a serious look. What sets the CPU apart is its incredible 5.7 GHz speed and hybrid architecture. This means it can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The 40 megabyte cache is another bonus, allowing for faster data access, which is essential when working with large video files. If you're editing 4K video or working with complex effects, this CPU provides you with the horsepower you need to get the job done efficiently. Just to put it into perspective, this processor is designed for heavy multitasking and will make your editing workflow much smoother. However, some users have pointed out that it doesn't come with a thermal solution, which could be concerning for some. But honestly, if you're serious about video editing, investing in a good cooling system is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you need unmatched performance for demanding video projects. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only edit occasional home videos. For the performance, it's a solid investment. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a balance of gaming and editing.
Product number 3, STG Aubron Gaming PC, which features an Intel Core i7 and is priced at about $471.54. If you want a versatile machine that excels in both gaming and editing, this is worth a serious look. The i7 processor clocks up to 3.9 GHz with 16 gigabytes of RAM, which gives you the speed you need for video editing tasks. Plus, the dedicated Radeon RX 580 graphics card is a significant upgrade for those who need to work with graphics-heavy edits or 3D compositions. The 512GB SSD also helps in quick boot times and file access, which is a huge plus when you're managing large video projects. This setup is perfect for those who want to play games during downtime while still having enough power for video editing. Now, some users have mentioned that the RGB lighting and gaming features feel more flashy than functional. Here's the thing though, if you appreciate aesthetics and want a machine that looks good while performing well, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a good combo of editing and gaming capabilities. Skip this one if you're strictly focused on video editing and don't care about gaming features. Given its price, it offers great value. Now, if the gaming features didn't appeal to you, the next product has a more focused approach for editing.
Product number 4, STG Aubron Pre-Built PC. We have the STG Aubron Pre-Built Gaming PC featuring an Intel Core i5 priced at $499.99. If you want a solid editing machine that's easy to set up, this is worth a serious look. This PC runs at up to 3.6 GHz and includes 16 gigabytes of RAM, making it quite capable for basic video editing tasks. The dedicated Radeon RX 550 graphics card is decent for light to moderate editing and can handle 1080p video without much trouble. The 512GB SSD is a nice touch for those who value speed when accessing their files. What's great about this setup is that it's very user-friendly, perfect for those who might not want to build their own PC. However, some buyers have remarked that the gaming performance isn't as robust as higher-end models. While that's true, if you're mainly focused on video editing rather than gaming, this machine holds its own well enough for most editing tasks. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, pre-built option for video editing. Skip this one if you want top-of-the-line gaming performance alongside your editing. It's a solid pick for those on a budget. Now, if you want something really powerful, wait until you see what's next.
Product number 5. Zynex Gaming Desktop. We have the Zynex Gaming Desktop, featuring an AMD Ryzen 5 5500, priced at $899.99. If you want serious performance for both gaming and editing, this is worth a serious look. With a 6-core processor that can boost to 4.2 GHz and a dedicated GeForce RTX 3050 6GB graphics card, this setup is a powerhouse. The 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB NVMe SSD mean you won't have to worry about slowdowns or storage issues while working on larger videos. Plus, the RGB cooling system keeps everything running smoothly, which is a big plus when your PC is under heavy load during editing sessions. This setup is designed to handle multitasking like a champ, which is exactly what you need when juggling multiple applications. Some users have pointed out that the price tag is higher than some alternatives, but honestly, when you factor in the performance and the components you're getting, it's an investment that can pay off in the long run for anyone serious about video editing. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator needing high performance for video projects. Skip this one if you're just doing simple edits and don't need the extra power. For what you get, it's a worthwhile investment.
So, to wrap it up, if you're looking for budget-friendly options, the Dell Optiplex 7050 and STG Obron pre-built PC are solid choices. For something more powerful, the Intel Core Ultra 9 and Zynex Gaming Desktop are excellent picks. And if you want a mix of gaming and video editing, the STG Obron Gaming PC is worth considering. At the end of the day, it all depends on your specific needs and budget.